we are going to uh, see about identifiers, keywords, constants, operators, special characters. We are going to see all these and in detail, all these in detail. So let's see. So what is an identifier? So identifier refers to the name of the variable, functions, arrays, classes, etc. created by the user or programmer using the combination of following characters. So identifier is nothing but the name given by the user. Name given by the user is nothing but identifier. Okay. So identifier is a name given by the user. The names, which names we are going to give, the variable names, function names, and array names, and maybe a class name also. Okay, these are all the names we are going to give. Manam name system. So our names a identifier under. There is a rule. There is a rule to give that name. There is a rule to give that name. Okay, so what is that rule? What are those rules we need to follow? So it should be alphabet, that means the combination of A to Z and small a to Z, and it should be combination of digits. And of course, these are all optionals. We can give numbers or not. We can, but we must give alphabets. Okay, number is a optional. We can give numbers or not is an optional, and we can use the combination of underscore also. We can use the combination of underscore also. And there is a rule we must follow while we are creating an identifier. What is that rule? The first character of an identifier must be alphabet. So after the first character we can give underscore or number or continuous alphabets, number or underscore. Okay, so first character must be alphabet. Okay, so I'll ask some of the possible names. Tell me whether it is valid or not, for example, I'm going to give a variable name 9a. 9a 9a, is it a valid variable name? Is it a valid identifier? This is a 9a. 9a, for example, is it a valid identifier? No, it is not a valid identifier because the first character must be alphabet. The first character must be alphabet. So it is not a valid identifier name. Okay. For example, add, ADD, add. This is a valid identifier. A9, A9, A1, A2, A3. These are all valid identifier. Why? Because the first character is the alphabet followed by number. Okay. For example, A underscore B. It is an valid identifier. Why? Because we are using A alphabet, first character is alphabet, and we have given a underscore operator and then alphabet. Okay, so these are all valid identifiers. We should not give any space in the identifier name also. We should not give any space. Instead of space, we can utilize underscore symbol. The default identifier length is 32 characters. Of course, వాళ్ళు నేమ్ ఇవ్వడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఇచ్చారు కదా అని చెప్పినని మనం ఎక్కువ లెంత్ ఇవ్వడానికి లేదు. They have given a certain length restricted. They restricted the length of the name. Any characters undali, that must be combination of 32 characters only. And numbers gaani edaina sare 32 characters length undali. Okay, then next one is keywords. What are the keywords? The fixed names known by the compiler. Okay, the fixed names known by the compiler is a keywords. Keywords are the words whose meaning has been already explained by a compiler. So compiler know those words already. Okay, so such words are called keywords. అలాంటి words ని ఏమంటారంటే keywords అంటారు. Okay, that means at the time of designing a language, designing while they are designing itself, they defined their meaning and functionality. ఆ కీవర్డ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏం చెయ్యాలి, హౌ ఇట్ నీడ్స్ టు బి ప్రిఫర్, హౌ ఇట్ నీడ్స్ టు బి యాక్ట్ అనేది ఆల్రెడీ డిఫైన్ చేశారు. సో దట్స్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ రిజర్వ్డ్ వర్డ్ ఆర్ కీవర్డ్. The task is already defined. Okay, some words reserved to do some specific task, such words are called keywords. So those words are uh, specifically doing for a specific job. Okay, so such type of words are called keywords, are these reserved words. Keywords are reserved words. All C compiler supports 32 characters, but this compiler supports 48 characters. Okay, ANSI C++ has 15 extra keywords. That means it includes 63 keywords. Okay, ANSI C++, American National Standard, American Standard C++, American Standard C++. It is having 15 extra keywords, so that's why it is 63 keywords. Okay, so the general C++ supports 48 keywords. These are all the keywords. What are these? What are those? ASM, auto, break, case, catch, char, class, const, continue, default, alphabetical orderly, they pleased, public, protected, register, return, short, signed, size of, static, switch, template, this, throw, try, defined, type def, union, unsigned, virtual, void, violate, while. So these are all 48 keywords in general C++. Alphabetical orderly, they placed, class, constant,